Na signal box E999. So kailangan natin siyang i-upgrade ng ABS version 1.5. So start to tayo. Okay, so meron nakalagay na attention. Ayan, may advisory. So yes natin. Yun. Yan, nag-start na yung files niya. Hanggang sa 100%. Yan. I-break niya yan. Upgrade version 105. Yan. Yan, upgraded successfully reboot. Okay. Okay, nag-reboot na siya. Yan. So lalabas niya yung yung channel 1. Okay na. Successful na.